Good morning, students. Today's our topic is on air around us. In this topic, let's learn what is the importance of air and the presence of air. Now, let's go into our topic. As important as water, it is surrounded. It is around us. We can feel that we are in air. Now, how you will feel the air, children? Think that in a hot sunny day, in the evening, you will find a breeze or a wind, and you can enjoy the wind at the evening time, so that you can feel the air. Or if you switch on the fan, you can find the wind or the movement of an air, so that you can feel the air. Next one, air is needed for us to breathe. It is needed for animals as well as plants. Next one, air exists everywhere and air is all around. Air exists in total earth, children, our earth, and air is all around us. Next one, how can we say that air is all around? See by a small experiment now. You can see that I taken a one empty bottle. This bottle is totally empty. You can see that this bottle is totally empty here. In fact, the bottle is not empty. In fact, the bottle is not empty. Inside the bottle is totally filled with air. The bottle is totally filled with air. The bottle is totally filled with air. I am saying that the bottle is full with air. How will you believe it, children? What's the proof? You can ask me that how can you say the bottle is totally filled with air? I can't show you the air, but I will show you the presence of an air. Now, let's see the second experiment here. I have taken a tub and fill the water in that one. Now, I kept the bottle inside the water and tilted it. I tilted it aside. I tilted the bottle aside. So, if you tilt the bottle, you can observe the bubbles coming out from the bottle. You can observe the bubbles coming out from the bottle. Now I kept the bottle in a tub and water had entered into the bottle. What's inside the bottle now? There is air inside the bottle, right? Air. Now I tilted the bottle, then the air is coming out from the bottle in the form of the bubbles. So that indicates the presence of the air inside the bottle. So children, I said that air is everywhere. Now where are we living? We living on the planet Earth. We are living in the planet Earth. The Earth is totally surrounded by an air. The blanket of an air is called as atmosphere. The Earth is totally surrounded by air, children. That surrounded by air is called as atmosphere. Now, if we go high into the sky, if you travel away from the earth, if you go high into the sky, children, if you go more high into the sky, if you go more into the high or travel above the earth, what will happen now? There will be air there. The layer which is close to the earth has more air. The layer which is close to the earth, this layer has more air, children. Comparing to our land, this here the air will be more, and the layer which is far from the earth is very less. The layer which is far from the earth, here will be less air here. The layer which is close to the earth has more air, and the layer which is far from the earth has less air. If we go above the surface, there will be some mountains here. If you go above the surface, there will be some of the mountains here. The air is more. If we go to the tip of the mountain, above the surface, there will be some of the mountains, children, here, and the air is more in the starting point of the mountain. The air is more here, and the air will be less at the tip point, the end point of an mountain. The air will be less here. So the mountaineers carry the oxygen to climb the mountains. Again, I am saying the earth is totally surrounded by an air. That blanket of air is called as atmosphere. Next one. The density of atmosphere goes on decreases if you go higher and higher. What I said, children? The density of atmosphere goes on decreases if you go higher and higher to the earth. So children, this is a class for today. In our next class, let's learn about composition of air and gases present in an air. Thank you.